Amazon Prime Day early deals have started already. Actual Prime Day is June 23rd, but you don't actually have to pay for a membership to shop all of the Prime Day deals. You can actually get up to 6 months free of Amazon Prime. So if you sign up now, you're going to be able to shop Prime Day for free. Now to do that, there's a link in the description down below, and it will take you to this page right here. There is an 18 to 24-year-old Amazon Prime. It's called Amazon Prime for young adults. And you can actually join and get 6 months free of Amazon Prime, as well as 5% cash back, which goes up to 10% cash back during Prime Day. But if you're not eligible to verify as a student or between 18 and 24, then you actually still get 30 days free. And that's plenty of time to shop Prime Day for free as well with your Prime membership. You can see the early Prime Day deals are already here. Prime Day starts Tuesday, June 23rd. It runs for 4 days till the 26th. There's a ton of different deals here that you can get 50% off, 70% off. I mean, it's kind of crazy the percentage off of some of these items, but they're only available to Amazon Prime members. Now, you might find some deals that are available to not Prime members, but the actual Prime Day deals, lightning sales, all the best, lowest prices, you got to go get that free membership to Amazon Prime to be able to shop those lower prices. Check it out in the description. There's a lot more benefits to Amazon Prime you get for 30 days or up to 6 months. And then even after that, you only pay half price Amazon Prime if you're on that Amazon Prime for young adults plan. So that's Amazon Prime. Prime days are here. It started early, and Prime Day is actually coming up really quick. Go get signed up so you can go shop Amazon Prime Day for free.